Yo everybody, what is up? ScammerRevolts here. Today I'm bringing you guys another unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Note 10 Plus, as you can see right here. A little bit ago I did a unboxing of the S10 Plus, which mine is currently dead, but let that turn on. But yeah, so this is the Note 10 Plus. It literally just became available where I'm at yesterday, and now we got it here to do an unboxing for you guys. So yeah, here we go. It is the Note 10 Plus. There's my S10 Plus. There it is again. Want to turn that down. So this Note 10 Plus, it's the Plus version, 256 gigs of internal storage. So it's got 12 gigs of RAM, obviously, like I just said, 256 gigs of internal storage that can go up to 512, but they didn't have that option available because I'll be honest, that was pretty tempting to go for. I've never had something with that much storage in a damn phone before, which is pretty crazy how things are getting. The resolution for the screen is 1440 by 340 pixels with a 490 ppi. This one does still have a camera little cutout, like the S10 has a camera cutout here. If I bring mine over here, once I get started, if I do some like the notifications here, you can see this one, it has a cutout here, but as you'll see when I pull it up, it's in the actual middle of the screen, so it's a lot better. But it is still there, so that's one thing to think about when my phone's just going off. And there it is. Oh my gosh. Freaking S10. What are you, jealous? You jealous or something? Turn that on vibrate. Alright, so here it is. As you can't really see it when it's just a black screen right there. But it's right there. It's right there. You can see that right there. But yeah, so let's take this phone out of its box here, put that to the side, and let's see what's in here. So we got this Samsung packaging here, so I'll pull that off. We got some stuff here, just Samsung. Then we got a little barcode thing here. It comes with a quick charger, so that's going to be nice for charging, which is actually it's USB-C both ways, unlike most of the other ones I got in my other Samsung, it was just USB 2.0 to USB-C. And then in here, we got a little box here. What is this? Let's see what this is here. So inside this little box, what the hell is this? Let me see here. I don't know what the hell this is. Let me try and get it out of here. It's a little metal clamp thing? I have no idea what this is. If it's to try and remove the S Pen if it gets stuck, or I have no idea what this is for. If you guys know what this is for, please leave a comment about it below. I have no idea what the hell that is for. Came in that little box there. But I do know what this is for, which was also in there. This is an adapter. They gave this with the S10 also, which is just an adapter, USB 2.0 to USB-C. Right there. Then here is the cable itself for charging the phone, which it looks like it's a real nice long cable here. So let me stretch that across here. So yeah, it's a long cable here. It's USB C to USB-C for charging. Looks like a pretty long cable here, maybe 3 feet, I'm guessing. Yeah, 3 foot cable, which should be fine for most people. But yeah, that should be fine for charging next to your bed or something like that. And then down here we get the AKG headbuds again, just like we did with the S10 also. So these ones, I'm not going to take them out fully, but these ones right here, you can see it comes with that USB C connector, because if you guys didn't know, there's no headphone jack in this one actually, which was kind of surprising to me. That they were going to go without the headphone jack. You know, I knew it was going to come sometime, because that's just how everyone's going, and there doesn't seem to be anything else in the box, which is Weird, there's no papers about use or nothing. That's just it. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. There's doesn't seem to be anything in the... Oh, there it is. Never mind. It was in the top box. Stashed all the way up here. Okay, so here we go. Okay, yeah, so that's something else, because there's the SIM removal tool right there. I just opened this the wrong way. There we go. Then in here, it's just a bunch of papers and crap, if I can get it out here. Bunch of manuals. Yeah, a bunch of T-Mobile manuals, terms of use, just all that type of crap. Nothing else in here, really. Yeah, it's just a bunch of papers. Which they had stored in the top. I was like, wow, they're really skipping out this time. No, usually they always got those little manuals and stuff. So let's move this over here. And here is the Note 10 Plus. Wow, that is really nice. And then I did get this one with the white, nice silver, I guess they call it, reflective back right here, which is like it's like a damn mirror, you know, like, yeah, it's like a damn mirror, which is pretty crazy. So let me unwrap this here. Ooh. Ooh. And then get it turned on. So let me see here. So another thing about this is it does not have a power button. Oh, that's a built-in screen protector right there, actually. So it comes with this is probably just a plastic screen protector, but at least it comes with one. So as for turning this on, I guess you just hold this Bixby button now, and there it goes, secured by Knox. The really annoying security thing that makes it super hard for putting ROMs and shit. Oh, I remember when Knox first came out. There we go, Samsung, T-Mobile, and you can see right there that camera cutout. And there we go.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
So yeah, you can see those really nice bezels there, those really small bezels. Look at that, just small, super small bezels, and then right there, that little camera cutout, which when I was looking at it in the store, you know, going through apps like YouTube and stuff, on the S10, when you go into something like YouTube, for say, yeah, when you go something like YouTube here, you can see how big the notification bar comes. This one is a lot smaller on this one because the cutout itself is a lot smaller. And it's in the middle this time, which I actually prefer. I mean, if this was in the middle and it was like that big, I'd probably still want it on the corner, obviously. But this one I prefer in the middle because, you know, your battery percentage and stuff, I like having it on the side. I think it looks better. I mean, obviously, the thing I really would have wanted them to do was go the OnePlus approach and have something motorized or something like that, or just get rid of it altogether, because, you know, eventually they're going to have to do something like that. But, yeah, I just would have preferred if they did something like that, just get rid of it altogether and then just, you know, just be done with it, or get a motorized camera. But, you know, tons of people always use a selfie camera. So, you know, mainstream-wise, it's something you just got to keep. But yeah, so that has been it for the unboxing of this. I might do a video comparing the S10 Plus to the Note 10 Plus. We'll see. Maybe we could do some speed tests and stuff, and see what the difference is. Yeah, and obviously on this one, I like the bezels a lot better on the Note 10 Plus because how small they are. I think that's super cool. Because on this one, when I was using my my OnePlus 7 Pro, you can the bezels on the Pro compared to this are just way better. But then when you come to this, holy crap, that's insane. I remember the days when huge bezels was the norm, you know, and now this is the new thing they're going towards. So yeah. Yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys are looking into this phone, and if you have something like the S10, if you have the S10 Plus, honestly, I'd probably just wouldn't switch unless you're like really crazy power user like I am, or you're just really into new stuff like I am, like I'm just obsessed with, you know, new Android phones and stuff. It's just been one of my things for a long time. You know, that wise, I'd go for it, but if you're just a normal user, I mean, there's not really too much of a reason to switch. Unless you just really don't like that camera placement right there and you want this one better and you prefer it, then yeah, maybe that's an incentive. But other than that, I mean, there's not really too much other than that's the Note. It has the pen, of course, which I actually have not taken out here. Can we take that out? Take that out right here for you. Boop. There we go. Little Note pen right here. You see that? It's not going to focus, but yeah, that's the Note pen that comes with it for little scribbles, drawings, and crap. This is actually the first Note I've ever had, so I'm going to have to try that out and see about it. But yeah, other than that, shoot, I went on for a while here. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you liked it, please give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.